And Maddie's Mumble and Aussie here. In this video, we're going to be playing as Anna, and we're going to be trying to escape without using any heals. So heals are banned, we can't use it in this gameplay. And yes, we're going to be running around, playing how Anna usually plays, doing all the dirty stuff, stabbing Grandpa. So, hope you enjoy, I'll see you in the game. Right, mateys, here we are. Game 1. So as you know already, we can't use any heals in the entire game. So, no matter what, can't go grab a potion and heal up. And we're going to be playing how we normally play. We're not going to sit there and hide, just camp in the corner and hide. We're going to play how we normally play as well. So, let's do it. Here he comes already. It's not a good start if he's on me. Might need to get door slammy already. Did he not see me? Yeah, alright. That's a good sign if he's just gonna... Unless he knew I was gonna try and door slam him, maybe. Yeah. Let's go, man. Alright, we got no cook apparently, so who are we up against? Sissy, Johnny and Leatherface. And we got a Danny, a Connie and a Leland. Let's go. Someone's dead already, I can hear it. I did upgrade proficiency a little bit here. So yeah, still gonna just play the normal self of Anna. No hiding, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go. Come on, hurry up, Anna. Alright, one door down. We'll grab another lockpick. And even to make it harder, if we do complete it, maybe another challenge we can do in another video we can do. Same thing, but not allowed to use your ability at all. And even take off no cell. Oh shit. Take off no cell, what doesn't kill you. We're gonna have to grapple him. He might win here though. Hey! Hey! Coming at her. Oh no! It's not good. Run at her! Oh! Crawl under! Woo! Move your feet under, baby. Sheesh. Oh! I don't know what happened then, but we'll take it. What I got the whole team on me for? Someone help me! Sheesh. Oh, what they all on me for? Oh, wait. Right, Anna. Sheesh. Someone help poor old Connie out, please. God damn. Man, oh man. Hopefully in that time someone... Oh my god. Oh no, I can't heal. I thought it was going to be a walk in the park. Shush. You know how hard it is not to grab a potion right now? Oh no, they're killing someone else. Danny, I think. It's a boy anyways. Shit. Now we gotta be careful here. Can't just run out like we just did then. Man, no one's got any points at all. Chicken gonna snitch? No, we good. Come on, Dana. Oh wow, she's here, isn't she? Shit. It's not good. Oh shit! She beat me to it. No, I'm dead. We're dead. You door slam, bitch. We're dead now. That's GG's. Come on, Nana. We gotta bleed out. Oh no. Go! Woo! She on my ass, baby. Oh no. Run, Anna. Run, Anna. Oh, just leave me alone. Ah. No! Oh man, that was fun. GG's. See you in the next game. Well, we didn't get anywhere near escaping last game without healing up, but it was a lot of fun though. So let's see how we go on this one though. Let's get it. Alright, we got some bone scrap and we'll go by a lockpick as well. I should just grab two. We got Danny Boy here. No, we'll grab a lockpick. And who are we up against? A Johnny, a Hitchhiker, and a Sissy. And we have a Julie, Danny Boy, and Connie. And you got any other ideas, like what to do on it there? Chuck me down in the comments there. I'm easy. I'm happy to try anything. Right now, that this no heal one that I come over is pretty good. I'm not sure if anyone else has tried it or whatnot, but it's a lot of fun. And ignore my dogs there. That's all they do is bark, 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 bark. I could edit it out, but you know, it's a little bit too lazy to do that. So yeah. Alright, let's go. Enough talking gibberish now. Let's get out of here. Oh. Should we get another lockpick? Didn't hear that testing. Let's go. Won't be long before old Johnny Boy's down here.
Looks like some kind of lockpick. Thank God.
Let's go, Julie.
Julie, hey, I'm here. Babe, stay close.
Oh man. Did she just wait on purpose just to get hit again? Ooh-wee. Alright, let's do this real quick. Hopefully she's not hiding like directly behind me where they can see her, surely. Some people do that, man, and I was like what the fuck are you doing? Alright, one door down. Oh, and we got Connie. We got the goat. Hey, Connie, come on now. She trying to lock her out. Can we do it? This might be the game where we just escape. Oh shit. I spoke too soon, huh?
Okay, I'll wait. What's that?
Wait, that's Danny. We're all up here. We all gonna get out scot-free or what? Okay, Connie. It's supposed to be your job to get us out, man. Don't wait on anyone else. What the heck? She wanna save us for the... She only got one lockpick, I'm guessing.
How do I get this open?
Come on, Anna. Surely they gotta have a check up here. Sheesh. After you, Connie. You're the goat. After you, Danny.
Danny.
You trying to lock me out, Danny? Danny? Come on now, bro. Oh, shit! Can we get it off? Oh, Daddy! Come on! Oh! Don't hop down, don't hop down. Grab bar scrap, Jolly. Let's move! Oh shit, they're all up here now. There's no way he goes after me, right? Oh, that little people he cuts at me. Oh no. Get slim, bitch. Oh, I'm on your ass, bitch. Excuse my language. What's going on? Shit. We're sneaking right back past these people. Shit, we're going down this way.
Think. There's gotta be something I can use around here.
I've never seen anything like that. Was Sissy just waiting up there in the grass, or she was AFK? Because that was weird.
Yes, yes. Please fit in that lock. What's that over there?
I wish I could take that potion right now. Not like I really need it, but out the way, Nugget. No snitching today, buddy. Come on. Alright, let's go. We gotta go try and find this fuse now. Hopefully it's in the grandpa. Please don't be here. I hate when he's there. It's over there.
I know they're still around here somewhere. Be careful, Anna.
Be careful, Anna. Oh, that's not good.
Be more quiet.
Oh, there's a hitchy. I forgot all about that. Fuck. Fuck! Oh, this is not good.
Help me.
Woo! Alright, we got a dip. We're gonna have to try and find where a bone scrap pile is. Shit.
Are they gone? I think I'm okay.
Ooh. Let's go to the fuse, Connie. Put constant pressure on them. Sometimes they don't expect it, like for you to go straight back. Oh, someone's in facility. Alright. This is our time. Man. It's gonna be a bone scrap pile there. To the fuse. Come to the fuse. Come to the fuse. Come to the fuse. Yes. Let's go, Connie.
Are they really gone? Oh, yes. A shortcut.
Fall free. Let's go, baby. Quick mess.
Thank you.
There's no way. Can we get out? Second game on, we might get out straight away. No heals. And I'm still tripping out over how they all just ended up at the back then. I haven't seen anything like that. And I play this game nearly every day. Shit, this might be a dubbo. If I can get there in time.